All right, so now I'm gonna use the Navac bender. What you see is like 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 2 is outlined as 1/2 inch. That's what we want to use. I put this mandrel, the bender, right here. You see that 1/2 is going to be this smaller one, and then 5/8 will be the other. Similarly, we'll go ahead and look at the 2 here. We want to go to the 1/2. So what we're going to do is we're going to counterclockwise loosen this up. And we're going to, you see how there's like 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's where we're going to be, number 2, right in the middle. Just tighten it up. Same thing with this one here. Let me show you. 1, that's 2, so that's 1, or 1's all the way to the right, 2, 3. So I'm going to put it on 2. Okay, and I'm going to line it up right there. We're going to go turn it around, turn around. That's the one. Turn that up. And you can actually see 1, 2, and 3 here much easier on the bottom side. So tighten that up. Tighten that up. See the 1/2. See the 1/2. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our piece of 1/2 inch copper that we swaged just a moment ago. There's our swage. I'm going to put it right there, since that's a 1/2, and we're going to power this sucker up. Let's go ahead and right there. Okay. Make sure we have it on. So the on button is right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin. Okay, so clearly you can see that that's a 90. Nice, elegant 90. Doesn't go further, so now that you've established it at 90 degree position, we're going to bring it back. And there you go. It's actually pretty cool. And just for giggles, I'll do the other side. For this one, I'm going to establish it at, I'm going to try to hit 150. Notice that we fell off right there. I want to make sure that you land right into that gear, the little divot. So right, that's about 150 or 45. Go back. And now you have it. So I'll go ahead and switch the other side for you guys. This one has not been deburred yet. I want to see what happens. We're going to test it out. Just going to slightly take off any sharp debris that could affect the cone. Doesn't need to be perfect, I just want to try. No sharp debris. Let's give it a go. So as you can see, there's like grease on it. You want to make sure it has enough grease on there, otherwise you might have problems. They said to make sure it's well looped. So rotate it on, it's on, turn it on, put this thing right in here. Not bad. Look at that. That's a good quality one, I tell you. Now hold on as I cut this piece and show you something.